Hey, what's happening, guys? Happy Easter. Thanks for stopping by. So I'm in the parking lot of Planet Fitness about to do the van tour video, and a fellow van dweller stops by. Say hello to Max.
How's it going, guys? I've got a YouTube channel, and the Muffins YouTube channel. You just search up Muffins on YouTube, and so I just drove by and I saw this guy and I'm like, what's this guy doing? Wait, he's doing the van life. I'm doing the van life. So I'm just crashing my van, and we've been talking for a while.
All right, thank you, Max. You know, it's nothing cooler than you're sitting out in a parking lot doing your van tour video and another van dweller pulls up. So that is pretty awesome. So I had to think about, do I clean this place up or do I just leave it the way it is? So I just wanted to be the way it is 90% of the time. It's kind of a mess. So I just left Planet Fitness. There's my towel hanging up there. That's where I keep it. Shower bag hangs there down in the trough. And I'll start out to the left, show you the battery supply. So I've got that finished up. It's 120 amp hours, two 12-volt batteries wired in parallel. And that blue cable goes to the alternator. Alright, so I'm going to pan around back here to the back. You can see I got my interior fan there. Works in conjunction with my exterior fan, and it works beautifully. With that fan in the back, it goes forward or reverse. So that hot night we had a while back, it worked beautifully. So I think it's going to work out pretty good for the summertime. Okay, so there's just my standard twin size bed, built out of Home Depot lumber, and the mattress is from Amazon. It's just a gel foam, memory foam. There's my guitar in the back, and behind that sheer curtain is my bathroom items. That's a shoe organizer, and it holds everything from shampoo to toothbrush to hairbrush and all that good stuff. And this is what I wanted to show you guys about my gravity fed water source. It's just this jug here. It's 5 gallons, and I've got my sink set out. I use the filing cabinet to set my sink up and just tip it over and fill it up as I need to. But I don't trust that nozzle, so I stand it up and strap it down when I get through with it, because I'm afraid that nozzle would leak if I laid it on a horizontal position all the time. Okay, so let me step out and show you my dresser situation. It's just filing cabinets and a Target dresser bolted to the wall. That's it. And that one little cabinet on top is my food pantry, and it's just bolted up there too. My cooler, nothing in there but water. And there's Buddy over there taking a nap in the driver's seat, and my passenger seat I keep swiveled around. And I want to come around to the other side and show you the next project. Is this big bucket in the front filled with kitchen items that I got to get sorted out. See here in the front, I've got this big tub of like vitamins and spoons and cups and that kind of stuff. Well, I've got to get a good organizer and get all that straightened out and just leave it in that same area, because it's a great space to utilize. And we'll give you a shot from this way, panning around, back around that way. Okay, I can't see what you can see at this point. So that's it. Happy Easter van tour update. And I hope everybody has a great day. Be well, click the bell. See you next time. Bye.